Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nachara Khurchane. I am a junior student. Today I would like to speak about the meaning of proverb, a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. After you learn from my presentation, you will know about the definition of the proverb that I choose to speak. Let's begin with my proverb that I choose to speak. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush means it is better to have something that is certain than take a risk to get more. You might lose everything. In Thai mean กำขี้ดีกว่ากำตด Next, I will show two examples for you. First, if I were you, I would like to accept the job, but it might be the best job for you, but a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. Second, you won $100,000 gambling in Macau, but you not lose it and you try to get more, about $1 million, but a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. In conclusion, a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. Mean if you have something in your hand, you not leave it to get more or finding something seemingly, because you must be a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. Thank you for your attention.